In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Deel contractor account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to select, and how to enter your details so you can get up and running smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Deel website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site by checking the address bar for a secure connection. On the home page, look toward the top right corner and click Log In. This takes you to the sign-in page, and from there, you'll see an option to create a new profile. Click Sign Up to begin the registration process. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of account you want to create. Select as a contractor. This choice is designed for independent professionals and freelancers who will use Deel to receive contracts and payments from clients. If you work for yourself or plan to connect with clients through Deel, this is the correct path. Be careful not to select options intended for companies or hiring teams, as those lead to a different setup. You'll now see a simple form requesting your contact information. Enter your full name and email address. Use your legal name as it appears on your identification and payment documents, since consistency helps avoid delays with contracts and payouts. For the email, choose an address you check often and plan to keep long-term. Make sure there are no typos. An incorrect email can prevent you from receiving important updates. Avoid entering any sensitive information beyond what's requested here. At this stage, you only need your name and email. Before you proceed, take a moment to confirm everything looks accurate. When you're ready, click Create Account. This action completes the initial sign-up and sets the foundation for your contractor profile. Depending on your region and the specifics of your work, you may see additional prompts later to personalize your profile or provide more details, but the essential creation of your contractor account begins with the steps you've just followed. To recap, you went to the Deel website, clicked Log In, then select Sign Up, chose as a contractor, entered your name and email, and clicked Create Account. That's all there is to it for the initial setup. If you found this walkthrough helpful, you're now prepared to continue onboarding and make the most of your contractor account with confidence.